Hey guys, this is Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh, and this is our new workshop. Yes, you've heard me right. We've moved to a new place. A place where we can accommodate more cars and better quality services. At Just Keep It Fresh over here, we want to give our customers a world-class experience. And by giving our customers a world-class experience, we want to be able to give them the option to use a world-class facility. A lot of time and effort has been spent into designing our PPF bays and polishing bays. Behind me right now is our paint protection film application bay, where every door over here is automatic. It is an anti-dust room, so that when we apply PPF, it's gonna be in a clean environment. While you're here waiting for your car to get detailed or get service done, you can enjoy a cup of coffee from our coffee shop behind us. And also, this is where you'll wait for us to do inspection, and we'll also sit here with you to tell you anything that requires further attention before we start the job. Welcome to our showroom. This is one of many bays that we have in our workshop. Now, this functions as a place where our customers would pick up their cars when their cars are completed, whether it's for ceramic coating, detailing, or paint protection film, or even tinting. This also functions as a room where when people do want to come in to see our workmanship, or they want to see the differences between a coated car or a car that's paint protection film applied or tinting, this would be the best place to show them with the space and lighting as well. So if this is somewhere you want to take a vehicle to get looked after, feel free to inquire, message us on Facebook or Instagram, or give us a phone call right here. Remember guys, just keep it fresh.